What would happen if the sun died? The sun is in its middle age, halfway through its 10 billion year lifespan. But one day it will die. Astronomers know exactly how this will happen. But what does it mean for us here on Earth? Will we freeze or be burned alive? Let's find out. Our sun is an average star, not the biggest or brightest, just one of billions in our galaxy. Stars form when giant clouds of gas and dust collapse under their own gravity. As the material condenses, it heats up until nuclear fusion ignites in its core. Hydrogen atoms fuse to form helium, creating energy that blasts away from the star's surface and out into space. This outward pressure supports the star and prevents it from collapsing. When the hydrogen in the core runs out, fusion stops and the star collapses under its own gravity. How a star's core evolves from here depends on its mass. Our sun is not massive enough to go supernova, which means it won't end with a bang. Instead, it will end with a whimper. In about 5 billion years, the sun's core will collapse to around 1/3 of its current size and become a white dwarf. It will still shine brightly, but the light will come from leftover energy and the glow of hot gases in its outer layers. Eventually, the sun will cool off and fade away into deep space, leaving behind an inert shell of carbon and oxygen. All life on Earth will die. If there are any planets that haven't been sucked into the black hole already, they will have their orbits completely changed by this point. So will Earth. It might come closer to the sun and be scorched or thrown further into deep space where it will freeze over. Either way, all life as we know it will cease to exist. But what if the sun went out with a bang? That is, what if it went supernova? If our sun were 20 times more massive, it would end its life in a spectacular explosion. During a supernova, a star's core collapses so violently that protons and neutrons in the star's core smash into each other. This forms even heavier elements like iron, nickel, and zinc. These elements are forged in the intense heat and pressure of a supernova. If our sun went supernova, Earth would instantly be blasted into deep space along with every other planet. We would be flung out of our solar system and into interstellar space. Even if we somehow managed to survive the initial blast, we wouldn't survive for long. Radiation from the explosion would sterilize Earth, killing all life. Depending on the strength of the explosion, some of Earth's crust could even be blown away, exposing the molten rock and magma below. A supernova occurs when a massive star runs out of nuclear fuel. If our sun were more massive, it would eventually use up its supply of hydrogen and helium and begin fusing heavier and heavier elements. At some point, it would start to fuse iron, which doesn't release energy, but absorbs it.
Nice.
When the iron in the core runs out, the whole structure collapses and rebounds back outward in a supernova explosion. Scientists think that the shock wave from this explosion could extend as far as Pluto and beyond. For the most part, scientists agree that a supernova would destroy Earth. But what if it didn't? If our sun were around 30,000 light-years away, its supernova blast wave might just miss Earth. If this happened, we could witness one of the most spectacular events in the universe. A supernova occurs when a massive star collapses in on itself. As it collapses, the energy that was trapped in its core is released, causing the star to explode. The light from this explosion can outshine galaxies of stars. In fact, the brightest supernova are among the most luminous objects in the universe. We may have actually witnessed a supernova in 1844. Astronomers believe that a supernova occurred in the Large Magellanic Cloud, a small galaxy near the Milky Way. If this is true, the light from the explosion reached Earth in 1844 and was recorded by an Italian astronomer. Even if it didn't destroy Earth, a supernova would have some far-reaching consequences for our planet. The radiation from the explosion would strip away Earth's atmosphere and expose the surface to deadly cosmic rays. Without an atmosphere, the temperature on Earth would plummet to around -18 degrees Celsius. It would also become very hard to survive on Earth because we would be bombarded by meteorites. During a supernova, the star ejects its outer layers, which creates a cloud of dust and gas. Some of this material falls back to Earth as meteorites. A single supernova can produce hundreds of thousands of meteorites. It would rain rocks from the sky, making it impossible to survive on Earth. It's unlikely that our sun will go supernova because it isn't massive enough. However, it is possible that we could witness a supernova in our lifetime. There are several stars that are close enough to Earth that their supernova would affect us. For example, if the star Alpha Cygni went supernova, it would be visible from Earth as a new bright star. Its light would also sterilize the planet and kill all life. So while it's interesting to speculate what would happen if the sun went supernova, it's probably best to just enjoy the beautiful star while we can. What do you think would be the most exciting thing about the sun going supernova? Tell us in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe so you never miss an amazing science video.